Hey guys, this is a last minute video, but I have decided to rinse my hair with a natural black from Beijing.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the light.
Now this is a semi-permanent hair color, and it is NE2, and it is a natural black. So, it says it's oil rich moisturizing at the bottom. So, I told you guys that with a Beijing, that, don't take your hair out. This is semi-permanent. You see me just shaking up the bottle and applying it to my hair, right? That's all you got to do. And I told you the reasons why, I wasn't rushing back to it is because by me wearing wet sets, that, it comes out quicker, So tonight I am putting this in my head. This is last minute. I mean, me and my son just came back from the stores doing our running around. And I said, you know what? Stop at the store, girl, and get your rinse for your hair. So, because also in that video yesterday, guys, I cut my hair. And the week before that, I let my husband cut off the back. So, I'm just taking this, funnel on the tip of this. I'm going in my hair. And I'm just, going through my hair. I decided to do it now, so just in case I end up going to the gym early, at least my hair be done and out the way. But I have no plans on, washing this out soon. But one of the things I do is I take tissue and I put it around my hair. I cut this one a little bit too short, guys. Hold on. Yeah, I pulled this tissue a little bit too short. So, now the reason why I do this is because if the rinse want to run, then this will catch it. So this one should do the trick. And you just roll you out some tissue. Oh man, today is not my day. Just roll you out some tissue. Let's see if I can make it stronger. And so, yeah, guys, cross your fingers for me that this vitamin E will work. I hope it does, because it has other benefits. It's supposed to stop itchy skin, which I'll be having. And also, it's good for your hair and, other stuff. So, then I will take a rubber band, guys. This works perfect. This will not let your rinse run, all down your neck and stuff. Because I'm going to have this on for a while. And then I put my bag on. Now I'm going to show you the quick trick with the vitamin E. And you just take your vitamin E tablet. Right? Take your vitamin E. Take your pen or some scissors. You see the oil running out? See that oil on there? So, and I just go around my eyes with it. And that's a beauty hack that I've been having for so long, guys. So long. It is a beauty hack. And I just decided to start going back to it. I also earlier oiled my hair with it. Believe it or not. All right, guys. So, that is on there. Put some of that oil back here. So, I am going to let that sit for I don't know how long. I ain't in a rush to, I am not in no rush to wash this out. And when I rinse it out, I will be back. Okay, guys, so we have a hat on and everything. We got our vitamin E oil around our eyes. So I don't know how long I'm going to have this to sit on my head, you know. I'm not going to sit under a dryer, so I probably had this on my head from a half an hour to an hour. I don't know. But while I'm gone, hit the like, share, and notification bell. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below if there's anything that you want to know about anything that I'm telling you guys about. So I'm just going to go let this sit, and then I'll be back when it's time to rinse it out. Where's the watch? It is 8:43. So it's been on there for like over an hour. And I'm getting tired, so I'm gonna rinse this out, guys, in the back. So guys, this is what it looks like, okay? This is what it looks like. You don't have to use any shampoos or anything like that. Just rinse it out. Ooh. Wow. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. With a rinse, oh, that looks good. It took good. You can still see the stains around here, but that'll come out easily. I'm not worried about that. Yes, sir. Yes, I am so glad I did it, guys. I am so glad I went on and rinsed my hair. I am glad I did it. Now, like I said, for my hair, I know I am going to end up texturizing it because I miss my texturizer. I'm not going to do it no time soon, but because of all the products that we have been testing to see if we can get our hair to look texturized, I'm running through all that first. So instead of putting a cream conditioner on my hair, I'm just going to use this leave-in conditioner. Okay, guys? I'm going to oil my hair with my grease, my Suffer 8. I'm going to do all that off camera, guys. As you see, I've been using this stuff. And I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, grease my hair off camera. This is one of the things that's going to help this, you know, that come off. So I ain't worried about that. I'm just glad that I went on and colored my hair tonight. So in the morning when I get up to get ready to style it, then I don't have to, you know, start from scratch. Hey guys, it is morning time. Why I just took my wrap off like that, I don't know. So y'all know last night we, you know, we colored our hair. I loved the way it turned out. I loved it. So this is the way our hair looks today. And now you see, this is why I want to trim this down some more because it keeps coming up. That's the only problem I'm having. Is this here. I want to trim that down, but I got to be sure that that's what I want to do because when I flatten it down, it looks so nice. So I don't know if I want to go over that with some clippers. I really don't know. For all of you who is, you know, doing your hair right along with me, then your hair should be growing. You know, the products that we use is growing our hair. And from the last time that I did the video, I remembered that this was the style. I remembered that this was the style that, you know, I really liked. And y'all liked it too. Okay, so what we are going to use on our hair today is water, mousse. We greased our scalp, and we use Got to Be glue on our hair. And you know that makes my hair wave up. So that's the way I style my hair, and those are the products I use today. So I have a routine in the morning, guys. Y'all know my routine. I have my routine in the morning. I have my routine in the morning, but to not have to worry about my hair, come on. I could stand here and play all day. Y'all know I can. But I'm just going to let it crawl. I'm going to let it crawl and do what it do. Catch my little flyaways. Because I'm only going around the sides and the back with those clippers or the scissors when I do get ready to do it. But who knows? Ain't no rush. Remember I told y'all stop making decisions if y'all not clear on what y'all want to do yet. So what's the rush in making a decision? Where is the fire? Where is the fire? So guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video. Y'all know I ain't gonna make a move on my head without telling y'all what I'm doing. You guys are the best. You are the reason why my channel is growing. I really do appreciate you thumbing up my videos and liking my videos and, you know, subscribing and sharing and, you know, coming back watching. So guys, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love your hair, and I will talk to you later. Mwah. Man, I'm liking this. Man, I am liking this. Y'all see my hair? Do y'all see what's going on here? Without a texturizer? All right. Woof.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list.